Very good morning, students. Previous class I have explained last exercise means self practice 5A and some questions. So now we have to go for next our exercise, that is self practice 5B. In this exercise we have to add or subtract the two algebraic expression or two polynomial, we can say. Just you see here in the question is given, add the following monomials. Here monomial means only one term, an algebraic expression one which has only one term, that is called monomial. So this one is one monomial and second monomial. So we have to add this both the monomial. How we will add? For that, just directly write down like this: 5a plus 9a. In place of comma, just put there plus. And then we have to add same as integer. How we are adding in integer? Just we have to add like this. Just you see the coefficient of the variable. Coefficient is a, and here coefficient is 9, and here coefficient is 5. So just we will add both the integer. 5 plus 9, it will come 14a. And write down the variable also same as this. Like that, this one also you have to do 7x square plus 3x square plus x square. So we will add here 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11. So 11x square it will come. Okay, next one 2m square n 6m square n minus 5m square n is there. So we will add here 2m square, write down here 2m square n plus 6m square n minus 5m square n. So directly here you can write, if you want you can write here plus also, means plus, then write down. If you keep here plus, then you have to put a small bracket minus 5m square n. After that we will remove the bracket. For that plus minus will get minus here. And directly we can add this both. So 2 plus 6, 8m square n will come, and here plus minus will come 5m square n. Now we will subtract 8 minus 5, it will come 3m square n. So final answer is 3m square n. In the question second, here minus x y square minus x y square minus x y square, all are same like term only. If like term is there, then we have to either add or subtract, otherwise no. If two like term are given, then we have to add, otherwise they will be not added, they will not able to add. Now here minus 2, nothing is written, means minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 means the coefficient is minus 1 is there. Now here all three has same like term, same variable and same power also, so these are called like term. And here coefficient is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, all three has minus sign. So if in integer also we are, what we are doing in integer, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, we are writing minus 3. We will add. For that in here also we will do same process, means we have to add here, it will come minus 3xy square. This is the final answer. Okay. Next here ABC minus ABC plus ABC. Here nothing means 1, here minus 1 and here 1. So this 1 minus 1 it will 0, and here ABC is there. So final answer is ABC only. This one will be 0, 1 minus 1, this one is 0, and plus ABC. Final calculation is ABC. Final answer. Now here just you see, first of all here some different terms are also given, means 2 are constant and 2 are variable. So these both are like term and these both are like term. So we will separate the like term and then we will add with the like term. Minus 3, then write down here minus 4, and just put this one here and this one here. So here minus 2m will come and plus 7m. Okay. If you transposing here, just denote, just shifting the value, no need to change the sign. Okay, some student will do wrong, they will change the sign. Sign will not change, sign will be same only. Whatever sign here minus, then here also. Here minus, then here also minus. Plus is there, then plus is there. Okay, after that Here both have negative sign, so we will add minus 3, minus 4, minus 7 will come, and here 7 minus 12. Then we will subtract. Here greater value, positive is greater value, so answer will come as positive. So 5m will come. Minus 7 plus 5. This is the final answer. Next one, we will do here addition. Nothing written means 1 here. Again, these types of question are given, but I have arranged like this. So this is called vertical method. Okay, means we are arranging the algebraic expression in vertical method. It means two binomial are given, here binomial are given, and just 3a, then we have written 10a below. Next one 7b, then write on 7b. Means like term will be same at the same position. So now we will add here 7 plus 1, 8 become, and here plus sign, 3 plus 10, 13 become. So final answer is 13a plus 8b. Next one, here also given this types of question. First of all we will arrange and then we will solve. If question is given like this same, 7yz plus 5xy, whatever is given, either arranged value or either non-arranged jumble, non-jumble, then we have to first of all arrange, means whatever like term, means xy will come with xy only in the below, and yz will come with yz only in the below. Okay, so first process is only just arranging the whatever given in the expression, algebraic expression. So here 2xy plus 5y, then we will add here, it becomes 7xy. After that here nothing written means 1, minus 1, and here 7. So what we do in integer, minus 1 plus 7, it will come 6 only, because we will subtract here. We will not add, we will subtract. So here plus sign will come because plus sign is plus value is more. So 6yz will come. Okay. So final answer is 7xy plus 6yz. Now third one, in the book in the F part is given like this. Okay, 2x square plus 6x minus 9 minus 5x square plus 7x minus 1, 6x square plus 13x plus 21. I have arranged directly from that, means whatever like term means x variable, which are variable, x square will come with x square only, x will come with x only, constant term will come constant term with. So after arrange, now we will add here, either maybe add, sometimes we will subtract. So just here see, these both are plus, so these both will be added. So 6 plus 2, 8 will come, and then we will 5 subtract. So 8 minus 5 will become 3x square. Okay, now after that all three has plus sign, so we will subtract 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 6, 26 will come. So 26x will come. After that, now these both are minus sign, either you can add directly these both, and then answer will come minus only. So minus 1 minus 9 minus 10 will come, and here 21. So we will subtract 21 minus 10, it will come 11. So final answer is 3x square plus 26 plus 11. This is the final answer. Now we will do the next question, that is question number 4 and 5. Okay. Now students, we will solve this question, next question of 4th and 5th. Same method we will use in the 4th question also, but here question is given, add the following without using column method. Means we will not arrange vertically like this, means whatever we are getting previous question, 2a minus 4b plus 3c minus a plus 7b minus c. We will not do like this. We will not do like this. Okay. For that we will add directly, means horizontally, just direct write down in place of comma, put there plus only. Okay. So just you see here 2a minus 4b plus 3c. Just write down here plus sign because minus sign is given, but question is asking add. That's why I have put here plus. After that, if you will get confused, for that just put here small bracket minus a plus 7b minus c. After that, we will remove this small bracket, then plus minus will get minus here, and then here 2a minus 4b minus 4b plus 3c minus a plus 7b minus c. After then we will arrange the like term. So like term is here, 2a minus a is like term, minus 4b plus 7b is like term, 3c minus c is like term. So we will arrange first of all 2a minus a. First of all arrange like this, minus 4b plus 7b and then plus 3c minus c. Now 2a minus a, we will subtract, nothing in return means here 1. 2 minus 1, 1 will come, means we will write here a only. If you want you can write 1 here also, otherwise no. So minus 4b plus 7b, then we will subtract again here. We will not write because the minus sign is there. So integer in integer, minus 4 plus 7, what we are doing? In this case we are going to just write down plus 3. 7 minus 4, 3 will come. So again here also 3b, we have to write down here 3b. And then 3c minus 1c, it will come 2c. So final answer is a plus 3b plus 2c. This is the final answer. Okay. Next one, in the b part also we will do same. So c part, b part I have left, you have to do yourself. So first of all we will arrange this. Means first of all we will write down here plus 3ac plus 5b square and just put here plus minus ac plus b square. Okay, after then we will remove this small bracket, then 3ac plus 5b square and then minus ac plus b square. Okay, after then just we will subtract here 3ac minus ac. Okay, so here 3ac minus ac, then 5b square plus b square. Okay, so 3ac minus ac, it will come 2ac, and then 5b square plus 1b square, it will come 6b square. So write down here 6b square. This is the final answer. Okay, like that we have to do next question also. In place of comma just put there plus. So 4a minus b minus c plus 1 and then plus 2a plus 4b plus 4c minus 8. No need to put here a small bracket because only one sign is there, that's why. Next we will arrange here. So 4a, this one will arrange with this, this one will arrange with this c, 4c is there. So write down here 4c minus 8. So this c will arrange with this and 1 is arranged with minus 8. So 4a plus 2a, we will write like this, minus b plus 4b and then minus c plus 4c plus 1 minus 8. Now we will simplify. So here 4a plus 2a it will come 6a. So write down here 6a. 4b minus b it will come minus b plus 4b is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 what we are writing? 3 we will write here. So same like that here plus 3 we will write here. After that same process here, whatever we did here, same process. So plus 3c will come and next 1 minus 8. Then negative sign is more, so it will come in negative. We will subtract here. So minus 7 will come. So final answer is 6a plus 3b plus 3c minus 7. This is the final answer. Next one, question number E. In the question E, here again we have to write down first of all 5x square plus 8x minus 4 plus 3x square minus 4x plus 11. Okay. Now arrange the like term, means this both we have to add same as this 5x square plus 3x square. After that plus 8x minus 4x, then minus 4 plus 11. Now just add 5 plus 3, it will come 8x square. Okay. Now 8 minus 4, it will come 4x. Then minus 4 plus 11. Then we will subtract 11 minus 4, it will come 7. This is the final answer. Okay. Next one, simplification. We will simplify here. So same process we will do here also. First of all we will arrange the like terms and then we will add or subtract. So 14x square is there. So 14x square, this one will arrange with this. Okay. So write down here plus x square this minus 2xy plus 5xy. So we will write down minus 2xy plus 5xy. Okay, after that y square minus 2y square plus 3y square. So y square minus 2y square plus 3y square. Three terms are there, so we will write down like this. Okay, next one, constant is there. So 5 plus 7 is there. So just write down here 5 plus 7. After that we will subtract or add. So here we will add here nothing written means one coefficient. So 14 plus 1, 15x square will come. Okay, after that this minus 2 plus 5 we will subtract here, so it will come plus 3xy. Okay, next here 3 and 1 sign is there, minus 2y is there, so this both will be added, means 4y square minus 2y square, so it will come 2y square only. Okay, now 5 plus 7 it will come 12. Final answer is this one, 15x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus 12. This is the final answer. Next one we will solve this one. 2ab, this one is 2ab and then 3ab minus 2ab. So we will arrange here 2ab plus 3ab minus 2ab. Now after that minus 4 plus 6a and then plus a. Okay, now 3b plus 3b minus 8b minus 4b. Now constant value is there, minus 7 plus minus 11, minus 7 minus 11 plus 5. So we will write down like this. Now just we will these both will be 0. Either we can do like this, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 2, again 3 will come. So here 3ab will come. Okay. Next one, these both will be added, means 7 and minus 4. So 7 minus 4, it will come 3a. Okay, next one, here, these both will minus 14, so 3b minus 14, 3b minus 14, sorry, 8 plus 4, 12, so 3b minus 12, it will come minus 9b, okay, minus 7 minus 11, then it will come minus 18 plus 5. After that, directly you can subtract here also, so final answer will come 3ab plus 3a minus 9b, and then this with both will be subtracted, then minus 13 will come. So this is the final answer of this C part. Okay, like that whatever I have question left, so just try yourself. Maximum question I have left, just some question I have left, just try yourself. Okay, how we are doing, how we are simplifying, same process you have to apply. Just go through the each and every step with the video. Then you can understand how we are subtracting and how we are adding the two algebraic expression or three algebraic expression. That's all.